the description. What? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We'd love to have y'all join a part of our little family. And in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys the best crockpot hot chocolate recipe, guys. This is amazing. Like, I was like literally floored when I tried this because I expected it to be good, but like this was amazing. I am not a huge hot chocolate drinker. I do like it, but it's not something that I drink a ton. But I have made this probably like once a week since I tried it because it's kind of become an obsession. And I will have the original recipe that I used down below in the description box in case y'all want to follow that. But this is just the best, guys. Y'all have to try it. And I did poll y'all on Instagram because I wasn't sure if y'all still wanted to see it because I was like, do people even drink hot chocolate after Christmas? But all of y'all mostly said yes. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. For this recipe, you are going to need 6 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of chocolate chips, milk chocolate or semi-sweet, whatever you prefer, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and some whipped cream for topping. The first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and add in my crockpot liner. This is always optional, but it just makes for such easy cleanup. I'm going to start by pouring my 6 cups of milk, or measuring my 6 cups of milk out, and then going ahead and putting it into the crockpot.
I can't tell you how I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls, you break them down, break them down. Oh, every time I go, brings back your love, back your
And now I am just measuring out my heavy cream and pouring that into the crockpot as well.
Thought I could let you go, be free. If you find someone, leave me be. I loved you without no doubts, but I need love to stay alive.
Now into the mixture of the milk and cream, I'm just going to add the full can of sweetened condensed milk.
My world's slipping on, they give me nothing back. What is left? I can't tell you how I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls, you break them down, break them down.
And now we're just gonna go ahead and add the vanilla.
Brings back your love, back your love.
And here is where the magic happens. We're gonna go ahead and add in our 2 cups of chocolate chips, which is almost equivalent to like a bag. So I think I just ended up adding like the whole bag. Yep, there I am adding the rest of the bag. I was right. So I'll just put about a bag in there. And so now what you're gonna do is just give it a little bit of a stir, cover it, and cook it on low for about 2 hours. And you do want to stir this occasionally. Ladies and gents, this is the deliciousness that comes out after 2 hours. Do y'all see how good that looks? Oh, it's so good.
Oh, every time I go, brings back your
So you're just going to want to go ahead and give it another good mix and just make sure everything is well combined. I was just using a whisk to make sure all the chocolate is melted and mixed together. And now you are all ready to serve it. And in true Tamela fashion, I spilled all over the counter because I spill everything. And you can go ahead and top this with whatever you want, marshmallows, whipped cream, sprinkles, however you want to do it. It's just going to be delicious anyway. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. Definitely let me know if y'all try this. Tag me on Instagram. I need to know if y'all love it as much as I do. And I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next one.
So take me away, some other place.